What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to cilinixfxcapital and to this video in which we will do a price analysis and a price prediction on Monero, or the XMR. That's the abbreviation, but I mean we can just call it Monero. So I saw that it was relatively bullish today, that's why I thought it would be interesting to take a look at Monero once again. I've only analyzed this once actually before this video, but obviously Monero is one of the veterans, one of the old school cryptos, and it's still quite high. I mean, if you compare it with other cryptos that were high in like the end of 2017, obviously Monero has dropped in the top 100, but it's still in there. A lot of cryptos are not in there anymore. They've dropped down further, or they don't exist at all. So yeah, let's get right into it. What we did with Monero today is actually, or let's say the last 2 days, we went up from this level at around 160, 155, up to the lower bound of this bigger key area right here at around, let's say 175. And I do think we can get to the upper bound of that key level. I do think also that that's that's my price target. I don't think we're going to break that if these market circumstances and these fundamentals stay the same. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, let's drag this away a little bit. There's a minor key level around 167 and 165, and I think, or it's better to say like 164, 165, somewhere around that. And I do think if we can get a nice bullish touch off of that, then we can reach 181. And the main thing we would need to do, obviously, is break 175 for that. But still, I think only finding support here would be enough to actually get up to 182, and from there I do expect that we'll drop down again, maybe consolidate a little bit up here, and then eventually drop down to this area again, at least if the circumstances stay the same. But still, long term, that would be great that we actually reach that level again, and we can eliminate some sell limits as well, I think. So yeah, that's the first scenario. If we don't manage to actually hold that 166, 164 level, then I think it is more likely that we'll actually drop down to this level again, which, to be quite honest, I do think is going to hold as of right now. It looks quite strong, and even though we dropped down there in the other 2 times when we had bearish fundamentals, I think if the fundamentals stay the same, then we can actually hold this and start up some sort of a consolidation on top of it. Even though we haven't done that yet, I do think that's possible now. So then we would probably consolidate between 166 and 154. And from that consolidation, it's just waiting for the fundamentals to change. So we either gain some stability in the world, and then we can do something like this again. Basically like this bullish scenario I just talked about. Or if we get like a further escalation in Ukraine, we'll probably do something like this, and then I do think we'll drop down to this 140, 135 level. But that's just really depending on, as I said, the news and the development in the world and those kind of things. So yeah, that's basically for now my analysis and prediction on Monero. If you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said in the video, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that always and as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.